So we're going to have a little look at the Silver Sands Beach in Aberdour, at the back end of Fife. But there's a park up 11 bays just up there for camper vans, £10 a night, donation, quite peaceful, changing area. There's a boat coming in. So let's go and check out Aberdour Silver Sands. Scottish Outdoor Access Code: camping is not permitted on the recreational green. Let's see what we've got. There's a wild swimmer. I'll go down on the sands. Actually pretty frosty last night. It's cold. I think it was the -4, -5. I don't know where that boat's going, but it's a beautiful, beautiful day. There's that boat going. Yeah, can you see the boat? It's there. Don't know where that's docking. Anyway, it's just a boat. Quite chilly this morning. Beautiful, beautiful day. Bright, sunny, blue skies. But it's a bit nippy. I might put my gloves on actually in a minute. I think I've been here once before in the summer and it was absolutely rammed. It was chock-a-block. I'm going to try and get up to the Aberdour Castle. I think it is closed, but let's see if I can fly my drone over it. Looks like a cafe over there. Don't know if it's open. Yeah, it looks open. It's not a particularly huge beach. There's I can't remember what that one is. Up. It's Inchcombe. It's one of them anyway. You're not actually see it, but there's a plane up there. I'll be heading to pretty much Edinburgh. But there's Arthur's Seat and stuff over there. Big boat out there. We'll check out the cafe area. Yeah, 11 park ups I've got for camper vans. It's the Fife and Countryside Trust, I think, who run it, and it's just a donation box. I think I did read on someplace that you can, I think, pay online, QR code or something like that, or a text message via donation. It's a suggested donation of £10, but like any donation camper van stopovers, always put your donation in. If you don't have like £10, £5 or something like that. Some nice smells coming from cafe. I'm a bit peckish, to be honest. No way to bother walking all the way along there. See what's in here. Oh, it's just a children's play area. Bins provided. Plenty of bins, plenty of seats. What is that? It's a male toilet just for pissing in, but it's locked. Fife and Countryside Trust. Overall grade awarded platinum for the beach. Keep the dog on the roll. Oh, there's a coastal toilet. Timetable and useful contact numbers. So all the toilets seem to be closed. And I got my glasses on so I couldn't see the calendar. It's a bra smell. More bump. No entry, please enter other side. Oh, it's a big cafe. Fish and chips, £13 for fish and chips, £3.50 for coffees. More bump. There's a wee map. You are here. What's that parking for? Disabled, permit and service vehicles. The sun's bright. What is this? What is this thing that's not open? There's no name to it. It's just like a fast food joint. Plenty of bins. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of quite quiet. It is a Friday, start of January. So yeah, this place is pretty hoaching in midsummer. So just way back to the van. Camper van parking is just round the corner there. 11 spaces, £10 donation. So there you have it. That's Aberdour Silver Sands on a beautiful, gorgeous day in January in Scotland.